In this video, you will see me making Easter egg-shaped soaps. To get eggshells, I'm discarding the contents of the egg into a bowl and I'm going to wash it and dry it. I am filling in water in an empty eggshell to find out how much weight an eggshell can hold. I can multiply the number of eggshells into the grams of water. That will help me to find out how much oil I need in my recipe. I place the eggs upside down to dry. I melted the solid oils and added the liquid oils. The lye water is ready. I checked the temperature. Everything looks good. So we are going to add in the lye water solution and going to stick blend it. I'm not going to stick blend it for a long time. I want a very thin trace. So I'm just going to give few bursts and I'm going to stop and I'm going to add in my fragrance oil. And I wanted some soaps to look like grass. So I'm coloring some batter in green color. I've planned some embeds for these soaps. I'll show that in another video. I added chocolate fragrance to the batter, so I wanted it to look like chocolate, so I colored it brown. I colored it with some chocolate, Hershey's chocolate powder with some oil. That's it. I want this batter to be very thin so I can easily pour it into the molds. You should have seen me in the beginning that I did not mix this batter for a long time. I'm adding some ribbons to the soap like a rope so the kids can easily handle it. I'm making this for Easter egg hunt surprise. I let it sit outside for a day and I put it in the freezer for maybe 4-5 hours. And now you can see me peeling, but you can see this egg is easily peelable because he cracked it and then started peeling it. So it was very easy. So don't start peeling the eggs without cracking it. You can see me, I'm struggling to get the shell off the soap. But he just got it so easily. He actually cracked it. And it turned out beautiful. I bet the kids will be excited. I did not wear a glove here, but I recommend anyone peeling an egg to wear a glove so we don't have any nail marks on the eggs. Without freezing, it's impossible to peel the egg. Even setting it in the refrigerator and peeling did not help. After freezing, we were able to successfully get that shell off. And you can see the little munchkins trying to help me. And here I'm getting all the colors ready for the eggs to be painted. I mixed the colors with some isopropyl alcohol and we are painting it on the egg soaps. It was a fun project and already you can see the different colors and it turned out so cute. And the egg from the mold looked like this, light brown, chocolate brown. And I had to show you the other green soaps, and here I unmolded it after maybe 5 days and it looks very beautiful. And we painted the excess paint and this is how it looked. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and also visit my other social media platforms. See you next time.